Third question. Find the nature of the roots of the following equations without finding the roots. So, in this question, the quadratic equation given, we are not finding the roots even though we need to find out the nature of the roots. So, nature of the roots decides with discriminant. So, here one question I am taking 2x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. A equal to 2. B equal to minus 8. C equal to 3. So delta equal to b square minus 4ac. I want to substitute in this. B minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a 2 c 3. So minus 8 whole square minus 8 minus square plus 8 square 64. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24. 64 minus 24 equal to 40. 40 is it positive or negative or 0? So it is positive, greater than 0. So the roots are real and unequal. For example, if this value instead of 40 it is minus 40, then the roots are imaginary. Simply we are writing. So roots are imaginary. Instead of 40, if it is equal to 0, then we write so the roots are real and equal. So if it is minus 40, we should write minus 40 less than 0, like that. Okay, next one more we do. Second, 9x square minus 20x plus 25. 9x square plus minus 30x plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, a equal to 9, b equal to minus 30, c equal to 25. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. B minus 30 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 25. Minus 30 whole square equal to square of negative positive. 30 square 900 minus 4 into 25 100. 100 into 9 900. 900 minus 900 0. So it is exactly 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. If it is negative less than 0, we should write, and the roots are imaginary. That's it. So remaining you try to complete. Next, fourth question. The question is, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, find the values of the following expressions in terms of a, b, c. So the equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the equation. For this equation roots, what are the roots? Alpha and beta are the roots. If alpha and beta are the roots, what are the conditions? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, sum of roots. Alpha beta equal to product of roots, c by a. These two are the conditions. Okay, now we need to prove, we need to find out the values. First one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Taking the LCM alpha beta. So alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha. So alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. A cancel, we are getting minus b by c. This is the value. Next, second, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. So taking LCM alpha square beta square, numerator beta square plus alpha square. So we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square already plus 2 alpha beta. So I am subtracting minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a whole square minus alpha beta equal to c by a by c by a whole square equal to minus b by a whole square, b square by a square. Next, minus 2c by a by c square by a square equal to, taking LCM a square b square, a square by a square 1 into b square a square by a into 2c 2ac by c square by a square cancel, b square minus 2ac by c square. Next, third one, alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. So if we observe this one, alpha power 4 beta power 7, alpha power 7 beta power 4. So at least 4 of alphas, 4 of betas. So I am taking alpha power 4 beta power 4 common. In this we are getting alpha cube, in this we are getting beta cube. So alpha beta whole power 4 of a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b alpha plus beta into a square alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. So this is the formula. Alpha beta whole power 4 alpha plus beta. So I am writing this one I am taking alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta cancel, we are getting alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Next alpha beta equal to c by a whole power 4 alpha plus beta minus b by a. So alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square. So minus 2 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta equal to c by a. Next c power 4 by a power 4 into minus b by a, b square by a square into minus 3c by a. Taking LCM minus bc power 4 by a power 5 of denominator a square. A square by a square 1 into b square, a square by a 1, a into 3c minus 3ac. So multiply minus bc power 4 b square minus 3ac by a power 5 into a square, a power 7. So this is the answer. Okay, next question. Fifth, find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. So in this questions, so the quadratic equation containing equal roots, we need to find out the value of m. So if we observe this question, this is the quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation containing equal roots, we need to find out the unknown m value. So I want to write this one, x square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 2mx minus m into minus 8 minus into minus plus 8 into m into 8m equal to 0. Now x square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15 equal to 0. So I want to compare with the general quadratic equation. A equal to 1, b equal to x quotient minus 2m, c equal to 8m minus 15. So these are ABC. So roots are equal. When roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square minus 2m whole square minus 4 into 1 into a1 c 8m minus 15 equal to 0. Square of negative positive, 2 square 4 m square minus 4 of 8m minus 15 equal to 0. Taking 4 common, m square minus of 8m minus 15 equal to 0. So bringing this 4 outside, m square minus into 8m minus into minus plus 15 equal to 0. So now I want to factorize 15, 5 into 3 15, 5 plus 3 8, m square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 equal to 0. So in these two terms m common, m minus 5, in these two terms minus 3 common, m minus 5. So in this m minus 5 common, we are getting m minus 3 equal to 0. Either m minus 5 equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. So thus we get m minus 5 equal to 0 when m equal to 5. Minus 5 bringing outside. Minus 3 bringing outside, m equal to 3. So the answer is m equal to 5 comma 3. Next question. Second, m plus 1 of x square plus 2 of m plus 3 of x plus m plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, we need to find out this equation. First, directly I want to compare with a general quadratic formula, quadratic equation. A equal to m plus 1, b equal to 2 of m plus 3, c equal to m plus 8. Roots are equal. Roots are equal. When roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b, what is b? 2 of m plus 3 whole square minus 4 of a m plus 1 c m plus 8 equal to 0. 2 square 4 m plus 2 m plus 3 whole square minus 4 of m plus 1 of m plus 8 equal to 0. So taking 4 common, if you are taking 4 common, m plus 3 whole square minus m plus 1 into m plus 8 equal to 0. So 4 bringing outside, a plus b whole square, m square plus 3 square 9, 2 into 3, 6m. So I want to multiply before minus, keeping minus, m into m square minus m square, m into 8, 8m minus 8m, m into 1, 1m minus m, 1 into 8, 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So here m square and m square getting cancelled. 6m minus 8m minus 2m minus m minus 3m. Again 6m minus 2m minus 2m minus 2m minus m minus 3m, 9 minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. So previously we got quadratic, here we got linear. So either we got quadratic or linear. So we need to solve. So minus 3m equal to minus 1, 3m equal to 1, m equal to 1 by